Hello friends, once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wired Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to interface BME280 sensor with Node MCU, and we will store its data in Google Spreadsheet. So let us see step by step. This is schematic diagram. Here I am using only one Node MCU and one BME280 sensor. You can see wire connection. V-in pin is connected to V-in pin of Node MCU because it's required 5 voltage power supply, and ground pin is connected to ground, and SCL pin is connected to D1 and SDA pin is connected to D2. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Circuit diagram is very simple. Now we will go to IFTTT website and we will do some settings there. This is IFTTT website. First of all, go to create because we have to create applet. Before click on create, I will show you. You have to first login. So I have already login here. So now click on create. If this, so click on add button. Now here I will search webhooks. Click on webhooks. Receive a web request. So click on here. Connect. Here I will type event name. So event name will be BME280. Create trigger. Now we will click on then that add button. Here I will search Google Sheets. Add row to spreadsheet. I will click on this. I am using 3 value already: temperature, humidity and pressure. So value 1 is temperature. So I will type here degree Celsius, it is unit, and second is percentage, its unit of humidity, and third is HPA, it is unit of pressure. Okay, now everything is correct. Here is event name already. Create action, I will click on this. Okay, then continue. Finish. Okay, now go to webhooks and documentation. Here this is API key, and once we can check here by test it. So I will type here event name is BME280, and here I will put here dummy value like 112233 and click on test it. You can see event has been triggered. I will open here Google Drive. Now go to IFTTT and webhooks, then BME280. Open this spreadsheet. You can see here it is printed. Okay, so this is working. Now I will copy this API key and we will go to Arduino programming. So I have already created here Arduino program. We have to change something like API keys and SSID and password. You can see here I am using Adafruit sensor and Adafruit BME library, so you have to install also. So for install you should go to include library and manage libraries. Here you have to search BME280. This is BME280 library. You can see here it is showing installed because I have already installed. If you have not installed this library, you should install this library by click on here like this. Here it is showing installed. So if you have not installed this library, here it is showing to install this library. Okay, close this. I have already installed this IFTTT ESP8266.h library. I will give you a link of this library so you can download from there. Now here I will change event name is BME280 and API keys. So I have already copied from there. I will paste here and I will type here SSID name my router. So this is SSID name and password is okay. These are variable. It stores the data of temperature, humidity and pressure. It stores the data of temperature, humidity and pressure in char format. Here it will connect with internet by using SSID and password, and here BME sensor will initialize by using this function BME.begin, and you can see BME.read temperature function will read the temperature in degree Celsius and store in temperature variable, and read the humidity and store in humidity variable, and this variable read the pressure and store in pressure variable. Here I am using ITOA function. It will convert integer to character format of the data. So here I converted temperature into temp, humidity into humid and pressure into press. It is character type data. I am using client.add function. It will make a queue to push that data to the server. So temperature, humidity and pressure, all these three data will be pushed to server of IFTTT. Okay. Here all this value will print on serial monitor. So now everything is ready. I will check the board. So go to tools and here board is Node MCU 1.0. It is correct. COM port 10 is correct, and I think everything is correct. We don't need to change anything. Now I will click on upload button. Uploading done successfully. Now I will open serial monitor and I will press the reset button. Okay, I think what is problem? I think everything is correct. Okay, I will again upload the code. Okay, uploading done successfully. Now I will again open the serial monitor. Reset button. Okay. Okay. Here it is showing congratulations, you have fired the BME event. It means is had sent to Google Spreadsheet. I will open Google Spreadsheet. Wow. Temperature is 21 degrees Celsius, humidity is 45% and biometric pressure is 1014 hectopascal. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like my video, so you can support me on PayPal and Patreon. My PayPal and Patreon ID has given in description box. And don't forget to press like, subscribe and share button.